joined this way. Let's start off with the position vectors. Okay. So position vector. This is O, this is A, this is B, this is B slash A, B slash O. We make use of the vector law of addition, okay, triangle law of addition for vectors. So I have R B slash O is R A slash O plus R B slash A. I differentiate it once, I get the velocity. I differentiate it one more time, I get the acceleration. Okay, so velocity is similarly an acceleration which is what I need, because for each of these particles to apply Newton's laws I need the acceleration, which is why I'm doing the kinematics. So what's the acceleration of A slash O? We have already found this. This is x double dot in the I hat direction. Okay, so this is x double dot in the I hat direction. Acceleration of B slash A is going to be given by the acceleration components in the radial transverse coordinate system, which we had just derived or pseudo derived. Okay, so in this case I'm going to have R double dot minus R theta dot square ER plus 2R dot theta dot R theta double dot E theta. So I have two things that I need to perform the kinetics of the problem, okay, which is the acceleration of the block with respect to the point O, which is acceleration of A slash O. This is the acceleration of the bob with respect to O. I want to make one more point in the 2 minutes that I have. I'm going to make the point here. Okay. Do you see something odd in that expression, acceleration of B slash O? Do you see something that looks askew? Yes?
The x double dot.
X double dot I. Why is it askew or why is it looking odd? Is because I hat is not in the same coordinate frame as ER and E theta. Which means that we need to perform a coordinate transformation. So I need to transform I hat into ER E theta because that's the easier of the two. Otherwise I have to take ER and break it up into components on I and J. Do the same thing for E theta. Then combine all the terms together. I grow old by then and you all lose interest and it's time to go home. Okay, thank you.